1965 Chevrolet Malibu two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, finished in flat black or matte black finish. Underneath the hood, crate 350, so small block Chevy power, 5.7 liter, 330 horse. V8 engine, automatic transmission 700 R4. So automatic with overdrive to be exact. Get a good look at the front grille, bumpers, headlight bezels. All right, still pictures. So you can see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the slotted rally wheels, Chevrolet hubcaps or center caps and beauty rings. White letter radial tires. Date codes 2024 on the front, 2019 on the rears. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This is one of those cars. Drive it the way it is, or maybe you want to take it to the next level. Put a little glossier finish on it, maybe some trim pieces, pinstriping, what have you. Otherwise, like I said, have some fun, drive it the way it is. So bucket seats, center console, B&M shifter, and that shifter is a little bit finicky, but it's more just knowing when to pull up on the lever to go from drive into park. Otherwise, it's been fine when I've moved the car around. It's just kind of one of those you kind of get to know how it feels, how it works. All right, take a look at the rear of the car. Chrome in the bumper. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see inside the trunk as well as the undersides. And of course, like I said, car from every angle. Interior, engine bay. A few notes in this one. When we pop the hood open, it does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, as well as, I believe it was Edelbrock intake manifold. We'll look at that when we look at the engine. HEI ignition. Does have a posi rear end 456 gear ratio. Brakes straight, technician noted, 90% in the front, 90% in the rear, remaining on the brakes. Tack was in op, speedo in op. There is no wiper arms or motor for the wipers. If you like these Malibu, Chevelles, mid-60s, late 60s muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor, so you get a good look up and down the driver's side there also. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We are going to fire it up, let you hear it run, and then, of course, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Door panel looking good. It's kind of a aftermarket style bucket seat. Do have a little wear in the bolster there. Looks like newer carpeting has been installed. Headliner. Looking good. 6x9s, it looks like mounted on the rear deck. No radio has been installed in the dash though. All right, let's fire this up. Again, 330 horse, crate 350. We do have an oil pressure gauge down here that is working. That was a cold start, so I guess I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up if it works or not. Good look at the dash. Door closes nicely, and let's listen. So obviously the side exiting exhaust. A little rumble coming out of that 350. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood popped, check out that engine bay, and then Jason will take it for a drive. Quick look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. So yeah, there's that Edelbrock 4-barrel and Edelbrock Performer RPM intake manifold, headers, power steering, HEI ignition, electric fan, puller fan. And also remember, automatic with overdrive transmission. 1965 Chevrolet, two-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. This one kind of means business. It is quick. We have no radio. We have no wiper blades. We don't need those when we're just trying to be quick and sound good and have fun. Now we have turn signal indicators that work. This is a B&M ratcheting style shifter, which means you can put it in drive or you can put it in one and bump it up the gears when you want to go fast. Responsive throttle. She chirps the tires into second gear. Let's see if we can do that again a little bit later. Now the speedometer is not reading. We have a clock in the middle here. I don't know if that is running, but we do have a clock. Now the fuel gauge reads a little more than half of a tank. Under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge, which is your vital gauge you really want to have, and we do have that. 55 psi for oil pressure. The water temperature gauge, also from Summit under the dash, has not moved yet, and the volts are reading on the bottom of the gauge, so those appear to be not hooked up. Great running car, starts easily, has an awesome sound to it. Satin black on the outside, we got black on the inside with racing style bucket seats, very comfortable. Brakes are smooth. I'm not getting any pulsation from the brakes. I'm gonna putt around the corner and then can it and see what happens. So I was already in second gear, but very fun car to drive. Very responsive throttle. She gets up and goes. Sounds good. Find all the pictures of this 65 Malibu at UniqueClassicCars.com.